In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Zoho Books. This process, while straightforward, is essential for managing your sales smoothly and efficiently. So, let's dive in and explore each step to ensure you have all the details you need. First things first, you'll need to head over to Zoho Books. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will allow you to access all the necessary features. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at the navigation on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, you'll want to click on the Sales option. This section is the hub for all sales-related activities within Zoho Books and includes everything from invoices to customer data. After you click on Sales, look for the Quotes option in the drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you will manage all your quotes. Now, it's time to create a new quote. Look for the New button, which is typically located towards the top right corner of the quotes page. Click on this button to start crafting your quote. This will take you to a new page dedicated to creating a quote, and you'll soon see a series of fields that require your input. Begin by choosing the customer for whom you are creating the quote. If the customer is already in your system, you can select them from a drop-down menu. If not, you'll need to add them to your records. It's crucial to ensure that the customer details are accurate, as any errors can lead to misunderstandings later on. After selecting the customer, you'll be prompted to enter a quote number. The system may generate this automatically, but it's a good idea to verify or customize it according to your internal tracking requirements. Following that, choose the date on which you're creating the quote. Accurate dating is essential for record keeping and helps both you and the customer track timelines effectively. Next, there's an option to assign a salesperson to the quote. If your organization operates with distinct sales roles, adding the salesperson's name can streamline communications and responsibilities. Now, let's take a detailed look at the item table. This section is where you'll enter the details of the products or services you're quoting. Put in the details such as product name, quantity, and price. You can also add any notes specific to each item if necessary. This table forms the essence of the quote, so be as thorough as possible. With all these details filled in, it's time to finalize the quote. Head over to the bottom of the page where you'll see the Save and Send button. Click on this button to save your quote and simultaneously send it to your customer. If you're not ready to send it out just yet, you can simply choose to save the draft instead. And there you have it. You now know how to create a comprehensive quote in Zoho Books. Don't forget to review and double-check all your entries before sending out the quote to ensure accuracy and professionalism. Thanks for following along, and until next time, happy quoting in Zoho Books.